I know that there's a lot of people trying to discover space and travel and different planets and go different places. And you know how, well, what do we do as humans when we go to some place new and find some new place that, you know, is beautiful, and we take it over. It's in our makeup to destroy things and build for ourselves. Just conquer. We're conquerors. Which led me to, you know, the question of why we're here on this earth. Maybe we're not supposed to get off of it. Maybe we're supposed to be kept on this earth as a punishment. Maybe we've already been punished galactically by an alien race, or which wouldn't even be alien, maybe a council. You know, maybe a council that decides over, you know, because everything, every sort of life, every ecosystem, or everything that has sort of civilized and smart people, everything has some sort of law, government, or rule. So if space is infinite and there are other places in space, you know, that have other intelligent life forms, there therefore have to be some sort of a law. So, I mean, just like with all the countries in the United Nations, why couldn't there be like a galactic thing like that? And maybe humans, as us being destroyers and basically trying to take over everything, which is our nature, which is why we are. Maybe this Earth is like our Australia. You know how the back in the day the criminals were sent to Australia. They were like sent there to be abandoned and to be trapped there. Maybe Earth is our cell. And that's why this planet is going down the way it is. That's why there's so much negativity, so much war. I mean, everybody's got to fight for something. Everybody's got to disagree about something. Everybody has to have a discussion about something. Everybody has to see a point and be sympathetic. I mean, when we all can't just work together and get along like a lot of other animals and probably other species and probably other intelligent life forms do. So it's a broad way of thinking, and I know that, you know, a lot of religious people say, you know, God put us here and all that, and I mean, I understand, but we're stepping outside of the realm of religion and coming to the sense that it makes. I mean, couldn't you see in our future us destroying ourselves basically on this planet, or using up all of its resources and having to expand? And if there was any sort of galactic rule, why would they want us to expand? Because then we get stronger. And what would happen the moment we got strong enough? We would try to take over the galactic nations. I know it's deep. I know it's getting heavy. But just put it on your mind. Weigh on that thought. How does that make any less sense than any religion that's out there? Why? Because we know better? Well, we also know better than people walking on water, turning bread into fish or water to wine or whatever it may have been. We all know these things weren't possible. So, as far-fetched as you may say I'm being, how is that any less? I'm out.